This channel and this one, without forgetting. This channel, along with others I've mentioned, inspired me to create this video. Take a moment and watch it. These channels focus on topics like humanity, health, achieving the perfect body, losing weight, and protecting your body from illnesses. While watching some videos, I came up with an idea that, as far as I know, no one else is using on social media right now, just by leveraging AI. Some of you have asked how I choose a good niche. The best method is to analyze the available niches, find an idea, and adapt it to create your unique niche. Before we start creating our video, make sure to check out my previous videos. By the way, the winners of the competition still haven't contacted me. If you're one of them, please take a screenshot of your channel profile and contact me via Telegram. The link is in the description. You'll find me in the free community. My name is Slymox. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and enable notifications so you can be one of the first to watch my videos. If you scroll through YouTube Shorts, there's a 100% chance you'll come across videos generated using AI. That's why today, we're introducing TubeMagic, the ultimate AI tool for creating viral videos. This tool provides everything a creator needs, including a thumbnail generator, video ideation for keywords, tags, and niche exploration, scripting tools to generate or rewrite scripts from existing videos, and upload and optimization features to generate tags, titles, descriptions, and more. With TubeMagic, you have all the tools to create and optimize your content in one place. Before we dive in, let's take a moment to watch what I created with the help of TubeMagic.
कंट्रोल करो
Did you know that rabies is one of the deadliest diseases on the planet? It's true. Every year, tens of thousands of people die from this virus, and it's almost always preventable. So let's dive into what makes rabies so dangerous and how we can protect ourselves. Rabies is caused by a virus that attacks the nervous system, usually transmitted through the bite of an infected animal, like dogs or bats. Once symptoms appear, it's almost always fatal. Early signs include fever and confusion, but as it progresses, it can lead to paralysis and even death.
Let's get started. First, we go to the ideation tool, like this, and click on Video Ideas to generate a video idea. For example, if you find a channel you want to create similar content for, simply copy the channel's link, paste it, and click Generate. After a short wait, the video idea will appear. If you find the idea perfect, you can click Generate Script to move to the next step and create your script. To find inspiration for your idea, just search for a channel, copy its profile link, and share it with TubeMagic. In no time, your idea will be ready. To work on the script, we go to the Scription option and select Video Script. This feature offers various templates to choose from. First, you write the content you want the script to cover, then select a template. For instance, a long script for detailed videos, a short script for quick content, a how-to guide, or an outline that provides key titles, ideas, and special highlights. You can even customize the word count for general scripts. Let's try a short script. After writing the context, click Generate, wait a few seconds, and the script appears. If you don't have or know the content, there are tools to help, like one that rewrites a video script. Simply paste the link to a video, click Generate, and the script will appear. For further inspiration, go to the ideation tool and use the video research feature. Enter a keyword, such as rabies, and it will display videos on the topic. If you're looking for niche ideas, the Niche Explorer tool can guide you by showing related channels or allowing you to search and select from various options. Now let's transform our script into a voiceover using 11 Labs AI. First, select the voice you want to work with. I'll choose Alice. Copy the script, paste it into the text box, and click Generate. Wait a moment for the voice to be generated and download the audio file. If you're working in TubeMagic, all your activity history is saved, so you can easily access it even if you forget something. Next, go to Google and search for images related to the topic. such as those explaining the disease or pictures of dogs, bats, etc. Download these images while keeping copyright issues in mind. Then, head to the Pexels website and search for videos, preferably vertical ones since we're editing a short video. Look for videos related to medical topics, viruses, human health, vaccines, dogs, and more. Download the ones you need to use as examples in your video. Now, we go to YouTube and search for videos featuring people affected by rabies to use as evidence for our topic. Choose the most relevant videos and download them. After downloading, head over to Pixabay to find background music. Search for the perfect track, download it, and ensure there are no copyright issues. Once we have all the materials, videos, and music, it's time to edit the video. Before returning to TubeMagic to generate the description, tags, titles, and thumbnail, let's focus on crafting a polished and engaging video. First, open your video in CapCut. Add the clips of people affected by rabies, choosing 2 for the intro, and ensure the video aspect ratio is 9:16. Before adding additional clips, adjust their shape if needed. Add the remaining videos one by one and reduce their original audio. Next, apply the glare transition between clips, then overlay the voiceover from your script. Add the images and videos according to the script. For instance, an image explaining how humans get infected by the virus. For each image, use the combo transition and ensure they align with the voiceover. You can also animate horizontal images by adding keyframes at the beginning and end, changing their position slightly for a dynamic effect. After that, insert the remaining videos and fill the gaps between them with transitions like glare, inhale, and pull out right. Finally, apply the vignette effect to all videos and images, setting its opacity to 50%. Review everything to ensure the visuals and voiceover sync perfectly. Next, we return to the intro and enhance it with additional effects like black noise and leak 2 to give the video a polished appearance. Then go to the audio section and search for the camera shutter sound effect. Add this sound where you've applied the glare transitions. Next, find the whoosh sound effect and use it in places where other transitions occur. Afterward, navigate to the text option, select English as the language, and click Create to generate captions. Once the captions appear, change the template, adjust the font, and apply a simple black glow effect. Finally, reposition the text to the middle of the video for better visibility, ensuring everything looks clean and professional. For the final step, add the background music to your video, reducing its volume slightly to avoid overpowering the narrator's voice. Once your video is exported, upload it to your channel and copy the link. While the first tool can generate everything at once, it's often better to use each tool individually. For the title, click Create a title for a video, share the link, or provide the video context. After clicking Generate, choose one of the suggested titles, copy it, and paste it on YouTube. Next, create the description by copying the video link, pasting it into the provided box, clicking Generate, and waiting a moment. You'll get a description you can use. Finally, create your tags using the same method. Copy the generated tags and paste them into your YouTube video. This way, your video will have an optimized title, description, and tags for better engagement and reach. For those who want to create thumbnails using AI, simply go to this tool. Click on the designated section, describe the photo you want, and click Generate. You can also add text to your thumbnail. For example, I'll add the name of the disease and separate the words with different colors, one in red and the other in yellow. Once you've customized everything, download your thumbnail. That's all for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Love you all.